Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Kodak Pixpro FZ55. First, carefully unbox your camera and its accessories. Locate the battery compartment on the bottom and insert two AA batteries, matching the positive and negative terminals. Next, open the SD card slot and gently push in a memory card, up to 32 gigabytes, until it clicks. Finally, attach the wrist strap to prevent accidental drops, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip for your new camera. Now that your camera has power and storage, press and hold the power button to turn it on. The first thing you'll likely see is the date and time setup. Use the directional pad to navigate and set the current date and time accurately. Then, proceed to select your desired language from the available options. You might also want to adjust the screen brightness in the settings menu for comfortable viewing in various lighting conditions, ensuring a clear display. Your Kodak Pixpro FZ55 offers several shooting modes to enhance your photos. For everyday use, the auto mode is perfect. Just point and shoot. Explore the scene modes, such as portrait for flaring close-ups or landscape for expansive views, to optimize settings for different environments. Don't forget to manage your flash settings. You can choose auto flash, fill flash, or even turn it off, depending on whether you're indoors or outdoors, ensuring proper illumination. After capturing your moments, it's time to review them. Press the playback button to browse through your photos and videos. You can zoom in on images to check focus and detail using the zoom controls. To transfer your files, connect the camera to your computer with the provided USB cable, or for quicker access, simply remove the SD card and insert it into a compatible card reader. This makes backing up your memories straightforward and efficient, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.